Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is how much for gift wrap? How much for gift wrap? Gift pack करने के कितने हुए? Second, I would like to return this shirt because it's torn. I would like to return this shirt because it's torn. मैं ये शर्ट वापस करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये फटी हुई है. 3. Never mind, you can exchange it. Never mind, you can exchange it. कोई बात नहीं, आप इसे बदल सकते हैं. 4. This battery doesn't work. This battery doesn't work. ये बैटरी ठीक नहीं है. 5. These shoes doesn't fit me. These shoes doesn't fit me. ये जूते मुझे फिट नहीं आते. 6. This shirt doesn't fit. It's loose. This shirt doesn't fit. It's loose. ये शर्ट मुझे फिट नहीं है. ये खुली है. 7. I need to change this for another size. I need to change this for another size. मुझे ये दूसरे साइज़ में चाहिए. 8. Do you have this shirt in size of me? Do you have this shirt in size of me? क्या आपके पास ये मेरे साइज़ की शर्ट है? 9. Do you have these trousers in a smaller or a bigger size? Do you have these trousers in a smaller or bigger size? क्या आपके पास ये ट्राउज़र छोटे बड़े साइज़ में हैं? The last one is 10. Do you have it in a different color? Do you have it in a different color? क्या आपके पास ये किसी और? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.